Machines are the heart of your production process. Safety, uptime, and productivity are the foundations for successful operations. Your machines must perform reliably around the clock. When they run flawlessly, so does your production. But even if one component fails, the machine may also come to standstill. Hikar Smart Tag listens to the heartbeat of your machine. Using built-in wireless connectivity, data is transferred by the user's smartphone or dedicated gateway to secure cloud-based server. Here, the data is analyzed using advanced algorithm to identify faults or defects. Data is stored and displayed graphically, accessible to tablet, smartphone or computer for further analysis and maintenance plans. Hikar Smart Tag show machines' future before anything happens. Pattern recognition, machine learning, predictive scheduling, early detection and guidance, process effects, process optimization, machine to machine. With Hikar Smart Tag, engineers no longer need to manually gather data and generate report for each machine. Maintenance schedule can be easily planned, thereby avoiding costly downtime. Alerts on dashboard and mails before critical failure occurs and actions to prevent them. Compatible with all your existing machines and factory network availability. Wherever you are on your digital transformation journey, welcome to the smarter way of manufacturing. Welcome to the factory of tomorrow. Welcome to Hikar Industrial IoT, environment where your equipment monitors itself and let you know when it needs maintenance before impacting safety, uptime and productivity. No matter if you are a small or medium-sized company or a global industrial enterprise, now is the time to start. To innovate and operate in a more flexible, cost-effective and sustainable way. Realize your digital transformation and experience the technology with Hikar Industrial IoT.